Plastic surgeries, dental treatments, hair transplantation, weight loss, or even orthopedic surgeries in Turkey. You can end your search now. Surgero is here to match you with the best experience. After you book your free online consultation, our medical experts will provide you all the instructions. You tell us about treatments you desire, and we answer all your questions and get your offer very shortly. Our offer will include everything you need for this journey: accommodation, all your VIP transfers, meal plans, recovery hotel, lymphatic drainage massages, and of course, 24/7 assistance. You just need to book your ticket. Welcome to Istanbul. You will be picked up by our drivers and get freshened up at the hotel before the big day. You will also find a detailed schedule of your procedures in your hotel room. After you shake your jet lag off, you will be taken to our clinic for a face-to-face consultation with our supervisor and your doctor. On the day of the operation, you will be greeted by your supervisor in the hospital. Your doctor will visit you and make necessary measurements or adjustments before surgery. After you wake up in your hospital room, your supervisor will be next to you to inform you about the success of your surgery and further steps. The hospitalization is expected to be up to 2 nights depending on the operation. Before you depart home, your doctor will see you at least once a few days after your procedure. If you have any questions, this is the time to clarify. But don't forget, your lifetime follow-up will continue forever. On the last day of your journey, we will take you to the airport and wish you a pleasant flight. Book your free consultation now. Surgero, your surgery hero.